Copilot runs in your Microsoft 365 apps to help you work faster and smarter. It uses AI to help you do more with your data in Excel tables by generating formula column suggestions and showing insights in charts and pivot tables. First, Copilot analyzes your data, then uses that understanding to recommend useful formulas, uncover insights, create charts, and more. Simply use the Copilot app to put these powerful features to work. Need to get a better view of a table? Copilot can suggest the best graph. Here's how. Click the Copilot icon in the menu. Click on Analyze. Describe your requirement, for example, creating a pie chart or providing a summary of the data. Copilot will explain the graph it has created and provide you with insights. Simply add it to a new sheet. Copilot helps you visualize your data by suggesting the graph you need. Need an answer but don't know the formula? Copilot can work out the calculation from a prompt. Here's how. Click the Copilot icon in the menu. In the Copilot panel, click Add Formula Columns. Copilot will analyze your data and suggest a useful formula you can add, or you can describe the type of formula you'd like to see. Try adding a column that will give you a calculation. Copilot provides formula suggestions with an explanation on how each formula works. View the explanation by selecting Explain Formula. Simply click Insert Column to add the formula to your data. Copilot can do the heavy lifting in Excel and write your formulas for you. All you need to do is describe what you'd like it to do. For more information, check out aka.ms/Microsoft Copilot.